This week we broke out the paints again and made a Valentine's craft. We used the things that we already had at home and took the morning to just sit and paint together. We listened to music and mixed colors, giggled, and talked. I've found that over the years of raising little ones that taking time and space to intentionally create together not only makes sweet memories, but also builds connection and trust as you make something beautiful from your own two hands. Here's how we made this Valentine's craft so you can create together too. Grab some empty toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls that you'll want to use. Then choose a few different color paints that you'll want to paint them. I usually like to grab 3 to 5 different colors that are cohesive together so that it looks pretty no matter where you display it around your house. Also, this is a little hack that I use, is choosing the paints for your kids so it turns out pretty no matter how they create it. So once you choose your colors, just let them paint the paper rolls and have fun with it. They can paint it however they like until the paper roll is completely covered in paint. This is the time I love to ask my kids questions about the colors they're using or what they think about the paint, or how they feel when they're painting. I think that asking our kids questions just stirs on more opportunities to connect with them and get to know them a little better, no matter how old they are. So once you're done painting, just set your rolls out for a bit until they are all the way done drying. Next, when they're completely dry, you'll take your roll and flatten it a bit and then cut them into 1 or 1.5 inch pieces so they are circles kind of like this. Next, you'll take your circles and squish them down a little bit, like folding them on the bottom of the corner and creasing them and then pushing the top in until you make a heart shape like this. And you'll do this with all of the circles until all of them are in the shape of hearts. Once you've gotten as many hearts as you want, you'll take a hole punch and you will punch a hole on the side. I like to do it a little bit above the center of the side so that the string hangs more towards the top of the heart. After you've put holes in all your hearts, you'll grab some jute or yarn or string. I'm going to use this thinner jute because I think it'll string better, and then you will just add the hearts onto the string as long as you want the garland to be. And once you're done stringing all your hearts, it's ready to hang. And now you have a cute little Valentine's Day decoration and a sweet memory that you made with your kids. You can also use some of the extra hearts that you made to just scatter around the house as another little decoration. I hope this inspires you to create something meaningful and special together with your little ones, and that you take the time to sit down and make something beautiful together. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and fun ideas coming your way. I look forward to the next time we are at my table together.